welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Hawafani from the 20th to the 24th of July 2026 on Monday. Sabelo's excitement and drive for a success backfire when he tried to promote himself on Tuesday. Zaqeqe dishes out brutal justice to Beki. Thembi's dreams comes at a cost of Sugar Basin's bank account, and Sabelo learns the hard way that money can't buy love on Wednesday. An arrest sparks rage, and one reckless lie ends in violence just as an unexpected connection begins to take shape on Thursday. A father returns home with wealthy and big promises, but not everyone is convinced by his sudden success. A love-struck man refuses to read the sign, risking more than just his pride. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.